Use a 3mm hex key to remove the left handle grip. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the left brake lever. Use a 2.5mm hex key to remove the left button. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the right handle grip. Use a 3mm hex key to loosen the screw that fixes the throttle. Use a 4mm hex key to loosen the screw fixing the right brake lever. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screw that secures the bell. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the front reflector. Use a 5mm hex key to remove the stem cap. Remove the handlebar. Remove the pluggy ends of the handlebar grips on both sides. Install the handlebar with the scale marks facing forward. Install the stem cap. First, pre-tighten the 4 fixing screws in a crisscross pattern. Align the scale lines on both sides with the arrows on the stem cap, and make sure the scale lines are fully exposed. Tighten the 4 fixing screws in the order shown in the video. Install the rubber plugs on both sides of the handlebar grips. Install the bell, right brake lever, and throttle in sequence. Install the left button and left brake lever in sequence. Install the left handle grip. Tighten the screws that fix the handle grip. Press the left hand brake lever tightly against the handle grip and pre-tighten the 2 screws. Adjust the brake lever to a suitable position. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Insert the raised part of the brake lever into the groove of the left button. Adjust the left button to an appropriate position. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the right handle grip. Tighten the screws for fixing the handle grip. Adjust the throttle to an appropriate position. Tighten the screws that secure the throttle. Press the right brake lever closely against the throttle and pre-tighten the 2 screws. Adjust the brake lever to a proper position. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Tighten the screws that fix the bell. Confirm it is installed in the appropriate position. Install the front reflector. Tighten the fixing screws.